Hi everybody, I just wanted to quickly shoot the video that I promised you the other day to tell you about the tool called Ubersuggest, which is an alternative to keywords everywhere. Gives you a couple of extra things. So if you just go and Google Ubersuggest like that, you'll see right at the top here, Ubersuggest free keyword tool. It'll take you across to the website, and you can go and search for, say, let's just say workout at home. Sorry, not very being creative, but searching the same thing, and you'll see it allows you to search in different languages in different countries. Just go to with United States most of the time, because it allows you it gives you a lot more volume if you're doing that. And then you say enter, and then what it does, it goes and it pulls that information for you. It takes you across to the Ubersuggest website, and then what's nice, it actually gives you some search volume over here, and then gives you some other data as well, which I'm not going to go into at the moment. Shows you the search volume around that, and then it starts giving you the other suggestions and the other keywords around that which people are searching for. So you're going to again go see those things like workout equipment, full body, dumbbells for men, they want a routine, and it gives you a little bit of data as well. You see a trend over here, maybe it just tells you whether that's increasing or decreasing. It tells you actual volume, so you can see the big difference between the one and the other. These other ones, again, it tells you what they are if you hover over them, but for now I wouldn't bother with that too much. Just rather look at the kind of stuff, the kind of words people are using. And then the other cool thing that you can do, it shows you, of course, what sort of results you're going to get when you are on Google and you search for that. And then you can pick one again. So let's say I'm just going to click on the first one over there. Then what it's going to come up with is all of these things. So it's now going to turn turn them into suggestions for you. It's going to tell you what the related keywords they are, the questions, the prepositions, and comparisons. So let's have a look at that. So if I scroll down past the results, you'll see now I'm getting all of those things again that people are looking for, with dumbbells to lose weight, for beginners, all of that sort of stuff. And again, you got the data on the site: 30-minute workout, how to work out at home. The volume is quite interesting because it does give you a sort of a sense of the difference between the one and the other one, if how many people are actually searching for that in a month. This is a free version. Obviously you can go and pay for it. I wouldn't recommend that at this stage, but it shows you some other stuff where it just blanks out the volumes, so that's good. And then you can scroll back up to the top and you can go click on the related stuff. It gives you 10,000 different related keywords to that, so you can go down and then click the arrow to the right and get some more. And so yeah, it gives you tons of that. The cool other thing that it does, it turns it into questions. So what sort of questions are people asking? So how to work out at home without equipment? Are home workouts effective? That's probably a very good question for you to answer. So again, you can turn that into nice discussion points with your avatar or with your ideal customers on your Facebook page, on your Facebook group, in your Instagram, wherever you're connecting with people. Maybe bring up this topic and answer this question, so to tell people why it's effective, and maybe tell them stuff like, yeah, it is effective if you are working with somebody and somebody's giving you a program. You need a personal trainer to guide you through that. You can find a lot of stuff on the internet, but it might not be good and it might not be structured. All of that sort of stuff you can do around a discussion for these things. So going to have a look at those. The prepositions is also nice because it takes again workout at home, and it says tips for workout at home, apps for workout at, shoes for working out at home, workout with dumbbells, and then there's also comparisons that it does. So again, it gives you workout at home to get ripped, to gain weight. So lots of different kind of angles that it approaches the same keyword. So this is all good. This is free, but you only have 3 daily searches available. So you make sure you don't go and randomly search a couple of things, but I'll show you a trick about that one just now. If you are on a laptop, you can go and grab their Chrome extension. It's down here at the left. You say Chrome extension. And remember, I spoke about Chrome Web Store. That's this little tool here. It's Google Chrome's Web Store. And yes, Ubersuggest. Your button will say install into Chrome, or yeah, something to that effect. You just do that, it does it in a split second, and then it'll come up at the top here. So what happens then, if you go to good old Google and you search for workout at home fitness, again, not very creative, going with the same search term, you can play around with it and do your own thing. Then you'll see on the right here with the Chrome extension, keywords everywhere, and Ubersuggest kind of competes for the space around the around the side here. But look how cool this is. Ubersuggest is now showing me all of those keywords right in the Google search, and there's your suggestions, your questions, your prepositions, your comparisons. All of it is up there. And what's nice is you actually, if you click on questions over here, it'll take you back over to the website, and you're in the website. And remember, I said to you, there's a little trick with that to get past that three daily searches. If you search on the Chrome extension here in Google with the Chrome extension, you can do more than 3. If you're searching in the website itself, it's only going to allow you 3. So go and play with it, see what you can come up with, and hopefully you learn a lot about your avatar and your ideal customer. Otherwise, I'll see you guys on Friday.